Everyone, my name is Leander, and I'm one of the product designers here at Encord. Over the past few months, I've been working with the team on developing some new features, most notably our multimodal functionality. And one of those pieces involves bringing audio into our label editor, giving annotators the ability to annotate over audio files and waveforms. One of the workflows that I'm going to demonstrate today to talk about this is RLHF. And if you don't know what that is, it stands for Reinforcement Learning Human Feedback. All that means is that we're going to give the annotator the ability to influence which audio file out of a set of two is the winning audio file based on a set of criteria. So let's jump in real quick. So we're here in our label editor, and as you can see, there are two different audio files here, ring and ring 2, stacked on top of each other. And so all I need to do in an RLHF workflow is I need to determine which of these two audio files meets some set of criteria better than the other one. So basically I have to pick a winner. And what I can do here is I can manipulate these files in a couple of different ways. So obviously I can play both just by pressing the play button. I can give them a listen. And I can change the playback speed if I need to using this drop down here. I can zoom on the wave if I need to. That's not necessarily relevant for this, but if I need to zoom in to change the second interval, I can do that. And then what we're going to do is, after listening to both of these files and determining that the top file is clearly the better one, I'm going to go over onto the left side here in the panel. We can see I have a winner classification. And I'm just going to use hotkey 2 on my keyboard to trigger that. And then again, hotkey Q to select yes. And now we can see that I am adding a classification here on the right side to this top waveform. So one of the other things is I can only annotate in one of these tiles at once. So if I wanted to annotate in the bottom one, I would just need to specify that by pressing annotate from this tile on the button right here. But for now, we're just going to annotate the top file. We can see here that all I need to do is click save to apply this classification to the entire audio file. So I can just press M to save that. And now we can see that the winner track has been applied to that top audio file. And that's essentially all I have to do. Now I just have to click submit. That's going to move us on to the next task. There's a lot more you can do with audio in Encord. If you want to find out more, head to encord.com/audio.